Hello everyone, today I'll explain how to operate our acrylic glove box. First, let's put on the gloves and make sure to insert them completely without creases. The sealing ring is a bit tight and requires 2 people to fit it from the bottom up. Next, we connect the air tube for the acrylic series. Just connect one end to the gas bottle regulator. Connect the other end to the intake valve of the main box. Now, open the gas bottle. Adjust the regulator to between 0.3 and 0.5 pma. Open the box's exhaust valve and intake valve. Start the gas exchange. Once the gas exchange is complete, close the main box's intake and exhaust valves. Now we can start the experiment.